Trying to find the how you doing? D'Artagnan's Washington.
Sure.
So you can't get it down, huh?
Yeah, see, they didn't give me, at least I don't have the mechanism to.
Yeah, you got the mechanism, you don't know where it's at. Come on, let me show you where it's at.
I can't figure, I said, if it's in here, I don't know where it is.
Yeah.
I looked all behind the seat, unless it's hidden somewhere back there. I looked all in there. I mean, I checked all that.
You can't check all that. Look, you got a four-way right here. You got a bottle jack right here.
No, that's my four-way I put back there.
Yeah, you put the four-way right on top of it.
This here, I had this out already.
Yeah, that's all you need.
I'm not trying it.
Yeah, that's all you need.
I tried it. It didn't show me where it would turn it.
I'm gonna show you what you're supposed to do with it. That's all you need. I got one in my car, but I mean, I'm gonna show you.
Oh, I didn't use that end. Like
Yeah, I know. That's all it is. You just didn't use the right end. I know what it is. I do this all. You know how many times I run into this on a regular basis?
Probably pretty.
Yeah.
Time. I definitely didn't think about putting that in like that.
Yeah, you're just using the wrong. That's why I grabbed it for you, because I know that's what it was. You didn't know what you was using. That's what I'm gonna show you what you're supposed to use, and where you ain't gotta wait an hour and a half for somebody to get here next time. You know. But if you want me to come back, I'll come back every time you want me to come back. They pay me to drive, I promise you. You need me to come back anytime, I'll come back. Tell them you want the same guy.
Yep, I sure will. I really didn't actually. If I had a choice, I would have left the tire on there. But
let me see what you got then. I might be able to help you with that too.
It's got a screw in it, but I don't want to drive on it because it might pop out. And it's gonna go flat on me where I put it.
All right, so we're gonna learn two things today. All right, let's do this, man. So now you know how to take it down.
Yep. Yeah, you showing me something.
Yeah, I don't mind showing you. You know, I ain't got no problem with that at all.
Because at first, I matter of fact, I started putting air in the tire. I just want to add a tire because I got a doctor's appointment in the morning. I said I need to have that tire ready to go. But then, once I start putting air in it, I can hear the air seeping out.
Coming back out, yeah.
Because you know, I don't want to take that chance and that screw pop out of there. I'm going to be stranded on the road.
Right.
And I have to sit on the road and wait.
Right. You did right. So now you know how to take it down.
Yep. No, I'll do that now. Took me a while. It actually took me a while to find that.
Yeah.
I looked all in the hood and everything, man. I ain't gonna be ashamed to tell you that. I did all that, man.
Hey, man, ain't nothing wrong with it, man. Shoot.
I looked all in the hood, looked out, finally pulled that strap on the back. Oh, this seat.
Yeah, the seat come down, man. All they gotta do is pull that seat down and grab that jack from right there. That jack and the what's calling from right there, man. All right, so let's see. I got a couple things. Got one I want to try. If it don't work, I'm just gonna put a plug in it, but